Although your book eye is factory calibrated, it might be necessary to recalibrate it from time to time, especially if you experience an image quality issue. Follow the simple 3-step instructions in this short video to ensure proper calibration of your book eye scanner. The book eye allows operators to make most calibrations directly via the touchscreen. In the Scan to Net application, enter the Setup menu by tapping the time and date field in the lower right corner fast, 10 times or more in less than 10 seconds. The Setup menu will be displayed. The menu bar shows the first 4 of 7 available submenus. To navigate, tap on the button IP address, which will move the menu bar back and forth and will grant access to all menus. Press the Home button to end the Setup menu at any time. Step 1. Calibrate the white balance of your book eye. The display shows you how to place the white reference target on the scanning bed. Close the book cradles and place the white reference target in the middle as illustrated. Tap the Calibrate button to start the calibration sequence. The calibration process takes about 40 seconds to complete. Make sure the external illumination does not change during the process. At the end of the sequence, all results are shown. If some results are red, even after a retry, call your local support and have a screenshot prepared to send to the support technician assisting you. It might be necessary to remove old calibration data when errors have occurred. This can be done by pressing the Remove White Balance Data button. Repeat the calibration after you have deleted the stored data. Remove the white reference target from the scanner. Step 2. Adjusting the focus and scan area of your book eye. Tap Focus and Scan Area to enter the menu. The following procedure applies for autofocus, scan start, DPI adjust, and gear correction. Open the flat book cradle. The reference target is now visible to the camera. Press the autofocus button and start the calibration by tapping the Next Step button. After the calibration, press the back button to return to the calibration menu, or press the New Values button to repeat the calibration. Repeat this procedure for Scan Start, DPI Adjust, and Gear Correction. If all reported values are green, the calibration was successful. Tap the Laser Check button to enter the Laser Calibration menu. Close the book cradle and place the reference target on the scanning bed as illustrated. The markers on the reference target help to properly center it. Press the Next Step button to start the calibration process. The results are immediately shown on the display. After the calibration, press the back button to return. Remove the white reference target and store it in a safe, dark place. Step 3. The Test Suite provides additional test data to help you diagnose problems with the assistance of a support person. It displays information about the foot pedal status, the CPU and other temperatures, as well as electrical voltages inside the system. White balance calibration, described in Step 1, is the only calibration which may be required from time to time. Repeat this step whenever the book eye is moved to a different location or if the ambient light situation has changed significantly. Your Book Eye 4 V2 is now ready for operation.